Next, y equal to log of sine log of sine log x. There are three functions: first log, sine and log. Derivative of the log x 1 by x. Derivative of this part is over. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of third function log x is 1 by x. That is the answer. So dy by dx. Derivative of the first log 1 by sine of log x. Derivative of this part is over. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of sine function is also over. Derivative of log x 1 by x. Derivative of the first log, derivative of sine, derivative of log x. So cos by sine, cot log x by x. Cot log x by x. Next, y equal to log of secant x. Secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. First write derivative of log dy by dx equal 1 by secant x plus tan x. So derivative of log is over. Interim function derivative of secant x. Secant x into tan x. Derivative of tan x, secant square x. Derivative of the log x, derivative of the secant x, derivative of the tan x. Take secant x common. Take secant x common. 1 by secant x plus tan x. Take secant x common. Tan x plus secant x. Tan x plus secant x cancel. So remaining part is secant x. Secant x. Next. Y equal to e power 2x into log of 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. This is one function, exponential function. This is logarithmic function. Both are multiply each other. So we apply UV formula. So dy by dx u dash b plus b dash u u dash e power 2x dash log 3x plus 4 u dash v plus v dash log 3x plus 4 dash e power 2x u dash v plus v dash u. See, derivative. There is also two functions e power x and 2x. Derivative of e power x equal to e power x. Derivative of the internal function 2 into 1. There is no derivative symbol. Write as it is. Log 3x plus 4. Next, see in this place. One is the log function, one is the algebraic function. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of 3x, 3. Derivative of constant, 0 into e power 2x. So derivative part is over. So take e power 2x common. Take e power 2x common. 2 into log 3x plus 4. This is common term. 3 by 3x plus 4. U into v, u dash v plus v dash u. There are two functions, exponential and algebraic. Derivative of e power x, e power x. Derivative of 2x equal to 2. No derivative symbol, write as it is. Plus, there is log function and algebraic function. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of 3x equal to 3. Derivative of any constant, 0. No derivative symbol, write as it is. Take e power 2x common. This is the answer. Next. d by dx of ax plus b whole power n. There are two functions, power function and algebraic function. So dy by dx, dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to, first derivative of power function, n into ax plus b whole power n minus 1, whole power n minus 1. Derivative of a, x derivative 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. So finally we get n into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into a